Happy Vapes. What in the fuck is this shit? A smiling RDA. Looks like your teeth, boy. Ooh, close up. He's smiley, smiley. Look at that coils. Clapton's. Eric Clapton's. Offended you are. The fuck I do not give. Ooh, a fucking lightning bolt. You better watch that doesn't strike you, you jagoff. Yeah, there it is. In the package. What's that screwdriver? What are you going to screw down? RBA, rebuildable atomizer. You rebuild my ass. Ooh, another lightning bolt. Isn't that pretty? What else you got, jagoff? Ooh, pre-made roll coils. What is that? Oh, they're Clapton's. A tobacco velocity. You need some velocity, you old hippie. Get moving. That's right, old cynical bastard and the old hippie. Shut up, old cynical bastard. You shut up, hippie. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? See you later, jagoff.